Guys, welcome to our August empties. I'm gonna go through heaps this month. Oh my god, guys, this jumper, I've been wearing it for like half an hour and it's got so much stuff on it. I think it's because I've just been going through all of my makeup and stuff to figure out what I'm gonna bring on the holiday with me, and now it's like covered in pigment, but anyway, that's fine. So we didn't go through too much this month, but anyway, first thing we used up was this is the Spacarothy. I feel like I've said that wrong. It's meant to be like apothecary, but like Spacarothy. This is the Peach Raspberry Glowing Body Scrub with vitamin C and green tea. I got this one from TK Maxx. Oh, it smells so good. I actually really enjoyed this, and I feel like it lasted us quite a while. I think Cade really liked this one as well. It was really nice and exfoliating on the skin, but like wasn't like super abrasive, and yeah, it smelled really nice, so I really liked that. And I feel like normally with body scrubs we use them up quite quickly, but like I said, I feel like this had a decent amount of product in it. It was 600 grams, so I feel like it lasted us quite a while. So yeah, I really liked that one, and I think it was only $13 at TK Maxx. I feel like that's a pretty good deal, you know? Next I used up this from Kitchen Witchery. It's like a small business, but this is magnesium oil, and you spray it on your feet. And honestly, before I'd heard of like spraying magnesium on your feet and things like that, and I kind of always just thought it was a gimmick. But ever since using this, I have been so obsessed. I have such broken sleep, but I feel like magnesium has been helping me so much. I take magnesium tablets nightly, and then I also use this and spray it on my feet, and I feel like it's just helped so much, like honestly done wonders for me. And yeah, I'm on my second bottle of this now, so highly recommend checking out like some magnesium salt spray or whatever if you struggle with sleep. And also like magnesium tablets, I always kind of thought it was a gimmick, but don't knock it till you try it. I honestly have had such great results from it, and it's been really handy because I love my sleep. And yeah, I just used to be so bad at sleeping. I still am, like it's still not amazing, but honestly this has helped miles. Like I feel like I used to be waking up like every 2 hours or whatever, and now I wake up maybe like once a night. Like sometimes I still have bad nights, but this has definitely helped so much. I used up this candle from La Bang Body. This is raspberry caramel. Oh, I love this scent so much. When I get my candles down I need to repurchase this, but this scent is so amazing. I absolutely love it. And yeah, this was like a woodwick candle and it lasted us ages, but yeah, I love that. So good. I also used up my micellar water. I've used up a lot of this when I was doing my lip swatch videos. I only use micellar water for like cleaning up eye looks and things like that. Like I don't actually use it to take my makeup off because it doesn't, it's like too harsh on my skin, I think. I used to use it to take off my makeup, but yeah, I just don't do that anymore because it used to make my eyes get super dried out and like swell and things like that, so my skin just really doesn't get along with it. Like, and I mean like when I'm scrubbing to take my makeup off. So what I'll use it for is like touch-ups, like getting rid of like a little bit of like fallout and things like that, and it works perfectly for that. But yeah, it's just too harsh on my skin to use it to actually take my makeup off. I need something that like melts the makeup so I have minimal face rubbing as possible. My skin's like a little bit annoying, but yeah. So I used up that. I also used up the Snow Fairy Fun from Lush. Fun is like, it's an alright product, like I don't mind it. They smell really nice, but yeah, it's probably not my favourite product that Lush do. It's like a moldable soap, and like it's alright to like, Kate and I used to play with it in the bath, to be honest, but we don't really have, well, he doesn't really have baths anymore. I still have baths, but it's not as fun playing with it by yourself. But yeah, like I'll use it in the shower and stuff, and like it's still okay, but I feel like I just prefer like a shower gel or something like that. But yeah, I still do like fun. And then the last thing that we used up was the P. Louise Mellow Magic Bubble Bath. It's very subtle smelling, like, I mean, I feel like marshmallow is like a very subtle smelling kind of thing. So yeah, like it's nice and it was really cute and stuff. But yeah, nothing to write home about. Like, I feel like I didn't really notice a massive deal with this. I just chucked it in because I like making bath cocktail kind of things. But yeah, normally I always use like a bubble bath from Lush and stuff anyway. So it did smell nice, and yeah, like I said, it's really cute. But I feel like it's quite subtle scented, so like I didn't notice like the scent that much or anything like that. Yeah. So I think that was everything we used this month. Obviously we didn't get through that much. Sorry, there's two more things. These, I've just recently changed where I put my empties, so I had some waiting in where I used to put them. So these are Glamlight Strawberry Lashes. I love these so much, but I've used them to death. You can see here that, I mean, honestly, I could probably clean them up with some micellar water and still use them, but I feel like when they get to this point, I'm just happy to get rid of them. I would have used them maybe like 10, 15 times by now, I reckon. So yeah, put those in the bin. And then I also used up the P. Louise Oh So Beautiful Brow Pencil. That is so satisfying for me. I did like this brow pencil, it was really nice. Mine was in the shade Mochaccino. So yeah, that was all of my empties for August. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Really hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!